Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix weather app not working on your iPhone. If you are also facing such type of issue, weather app not working properly on your iPhone, then here are the fixes. And the first and initial workaround is restart your iPhone. Simply turn off your iPhone, and after some times again restart your iPhone. This is the first and initial workaround. You must restart your system and check whether your weather app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on general settings. Here tap on software updates, and if any update, iOS update available, simply download and install it. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of various type of app not working or functioning properly on your iPhone, so you must update with your latest iOS update and check whether your weather app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Swipe down your iPhone and you must have a sufficient or a strong network connections. So if turn off your network connection one time and again turn on your network connection. The next workaround is tap on settings again. Here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on privacy and security, and you must ensure that location services is turned on. So location services on your iPhone must turn on, and go to particular weather app, tap on it and set it as always or while using app. So set it as always, otherwise while using the app. So must check these two options here and check whether your weather app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on weather app, go to weather app, tap and hold it and remove app. Permanent remove this app, and again go to app store of your iPhone. Here go to search and look for weather app. In search field type weather app and reinstall weather app on your iPhone. So uninstall your weather app from your iPhone and reinstall a fresh version of weather app in your iPhone. That's all.